Simple future tense made easy. Welcome back to English Corner by Firasat. Today we're going to learn the simple future tense in a super easy and practical way. What is simple future tense? We use the simple future tense to talk about actions that will happen later. The simple future tense is used when we talk about plans, predictions, or promises about the future. Structure: affirmative, subject plus will, shall plus base verb plus object. Example: I will visit my grandmother tomorrow. In positive sentences, we use will or shall with the first form of the verb. Negative form: subject plus will not, won't, shall not, shan't, plus base verb plus object. Example: I won't eat junk food again. To make it negative, just add will not or won't before the verb. Interrogative form: will, shall plus subject plus base verb plus object. Example: will you go with me? For questions, place will or shall at the beginning of the sentence. When to use will and shall: will a friends, family, informal talk. Example: I will call you tonight. Shall a formal or polite offers. Example: shall I open the window? Use shall to sound polite or formal. Use will in everyday speech. Common phrases: I will let you know. I'll think about it. Don't worry, I'll handle it. Shall we begin? These are everyday expressions that use the simple future tense naturally. Practice time. Fill in the blanks. I call you tomorrow. We not forget your birthday. You join us tonight. Now it's your turn. Try to complete these sentences. Daily life examples: I will make tea for everyone. They will reach home soon. Shall we go shopping tomorrow? Notice how often we use future tense in our daily talk. The simple future tense helps you talk about what's coming next. Practice using will and shall daily. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Corner by Firasat for more easy grammar lessons.